Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my brothers and sisters. Hope you are doing well. Today's verse of the day comes from Surah Al-Infitar, verse number 6. Allah mentions in the Holy Quran, Ya ayyuhal insanu ma gharraka bi rabbikal kareem. O mankind, O human being, what has deceived you concerning your Lord, the most generous? Subhanallah. Allah uses the letter here al-insan, which literally means forgetful or neglectful. So Allah is asking one important question to all the mankind, all the human being, that what has fooled you or what has deceived you concerning your generous Lord? Is it your wealth, your youth, your money, your comfort? Like, what is the reason why you forget your Lord, why you are turning back from your Lord? So Allah is kind of showing a divine disappointment in this verse of the Holy Quran. And look, Allah is saying that how many things I have given you in your life. Look at the blessings, look at the favors I have done for you in your life. And in response to that, instead you should be grateful to me. Instead of coming back to me or running back to me, you are running away from me. Subhanallah. Instead of showing thanks to me, you just totally ignored me. You have just totally ignored my teachings, my commandments. What have fooled you? So Allah is asking a very important question, my brothers and sisters. No matter how far you have gone, it just take one step back to Allah Almighty. And Allah uses the letter here, Birabbikal Kareem, your generous Lord. Subhanallah. No matter how many things we have done in our life, or how many sin we have done in our life, or how many wrong actions or wrong activities we have done in our life, my brothers and sisters, Allah is still saying, come back to me. Because there is no way that you are going to get success. There is no way that you are going to achieve salvation without coming back to us. Subhanallah. So it's a very unique and a very powerful reminder from Allah Almighty, in which He teaching us and guiding us. What has fooled you? Like, why you forget your Lord? Why you ignore your Lord? What has happened literally? So mashallah, alhamdulillah. And then Allah reminds us at the end of this verse that when He uses Al-Kareem, the most generous, Allah showing or Allah saying that my generosity should lead you to become a grateful to me. My generosity should lead you to become closer to me. It should not cause any kind of carelessness in you. Because we don't really get punishment immediately in this world. We do commit sin, we do wrong actions, we do wrong activities on a daily basis. But what happens? We don't get punishment immediately. Subhanallah. So Allah Almighty is saying, come back to me. Don't worry, I am your generous Lord. No matter how many things you have done, I am your generous Lord. I am the one eventually who going to forgive you. And I am the one, who going to take care of you. I am the one who going to solve your problems. There is no way that you can achieve salvation without Allah Almighty. So we make dua that Allah Almighty grant all of us tawfiq, to go back to Allah instead of running from Allah. Ameen. Bijahin Nabiyil Ameen sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.